Oh, is it actually typing?
Mm-hmm.
Hell yeah. Does it still double bounce on the K?
Oh, heck. I'm going to limit it to... Like, okay, fine. Oh, it just turned off on its own. Let's...
Oh, I see. It's way over there. Does enter work?
It's...
Oh, not right now?
No. I just have like a small string that it's storing to, but I'm dumb and forgot.
Well, that's fine. We're just testing it anyway.
Yeah, right. New program.
No, I must type. Never mind.
Yeah, okay. Oh. Alright.
Yay!
I should be able to use... Yeah.
Those arrow keys are such a weird spot for this keyboard.
Mm-hmm.
I got this out of like an ATM or something. Oh, that's my limit then, huh? Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Your name cannot be more than 7 characters long. That's... wait.
How is the resolution? This is 320. So...
Is my N not working? Probably.
320 divided by the width is 6. 18.
There you go. Yay! I can spell my name. 13 tries later. Oh, we can't do a smiley face. Sorry. No smiley faces in the score.
Have space and letters working.
Yeah, I think it should be good enough. I don't need to program in all of them. Sorry, there is no letter C. You have to use K instead.
Oh, C doesn't work?
No, I'm joking.
Oh.
It's a Monty Python sketch.
Oh, I didn't.
They're like, I have a problem saying the letter K. You mean C. Well, if it wasn't all like jilly rigged how we have it, the cover will fit perfect.
Yeah.